Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And if you're in your 20s, listen up because this video could literally change the rest of your life. Today we're breaking down 5 money moves you must make in your 20s because like it or not, your 20s decide your wealth. The habits you build, the mistakes you avoid, and the moves you make now will either set you up for freedom or for decades of financial stress. The good news? You don't need to make a lot of money to start building wealth. You just need to make the right moves early. So let's jump in. Money. Move number 1, master the art of budgeting when actually stick to it. I know, budgeting sounds boring. But here's the truth. If you can't manage $1,000 a month, you won't magically manage $10,000. Budgeting is simply telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Start with a simple 50-30-20 plan. 50% for needs, rent, bills, food, 30% for wants, fun, travel, lifestyle, 20% for savings and debt payoff. Use apps like Mint, YNAB, or even just a Google Sheet. The goal isn't to restrict yourself, it's to give your money a mission. Because when you know exactly where your cash is going, you can start using it to build wealth instead of letting it disappear. Money, move number 2, build a 3 to 6 month emergency fund. Here's something most 20-somethings skip and regret later. Emergencies will happen, job loss, car repairs, medical bills, and if you don't have a cushion, you'll end up relying on credit cards or loans. Start by saving $1,000 as your first milestone. Then work up to 6 months of expenses in a high-yield savings account. Even if you start with $25 or $50 a week, you're building a financial safety net that keeps you out of debt and keeps your stress levels down. It's not flashy, but trust me, future you will thank you for this one. Number 3, start investing, like right now. This is the big one. If you only remember one thing from this video, let it be this. Your 20s are your superpower when it comes to investing. You have the one thing older investors wish they had: time. Let's do a quick example. If you invest $300 a month starting at age 25 and earn 8% yearly, by 60 you'll have about $680,000. If you wait just 10 years and start at 35, you'll only have around $300,000. That's nearly $500,000 lost just by waiting. Start with your employer's 401k, especially if they match. That's free money. Then open a Roth IRA or invest in index funds through apps like Vanguard, Fidelity, or Robinhood. You don't have to be rich to invest. Investing is how you get rich. Money, move number 4, avoid the lifestyle trap. This is one of the biggest wealth killers in your 20s, trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. You land your first job, start making more money, and suddenly you deserve a nicer apartment, a better car, and weekly brunches. That's the lifestyle creep, and it's sneaky. Instead, keep your expenses low even as your income grows. The difference between what you earn and what you spend, that's your wealth gap. And the bigger it is, the faster you'll build real financial freedom. Buy assets before you buy upgrades. Let your money work for you, not just make you look good on Instagram. Money move number 5, invest in yourself, your best asset. Your 20s are the best time to build skills that can make you more valuable for life. Take that online course, learn a high-income skill like coding, marketing, sales, or content creation. Read personal finance books. Surround yourself with people who think long-term. Every new skill or connection you make in your 20s can multiply your income opportunities in your 30s and 40s. Think of it this way, the stock market might give you 8% returns, but the right skill can increase your income by hundreds of percent. You are your greatest investment. Start treating yourself like one.